Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get dark icons on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to get rid of that light icons and you want to get that darker icons on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. So here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS version on your iPhone. So here you have to simply go to general, and you have to click on software update, and you have to install the latest version which is showing on your iPhone, and make sure that it is iOS 18 or above. So after converting your iPhone to latest iOS version iOS 18, so what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold any blank on portion on the home screen, and here you will find the option of edit. You have to simply click on customize. So here you will find the option of dark, and you have to click on that, and you will find that dark icons. So you can simply get that dark icons on your iPhone without any problem. But if you not enjoy these kind of dark icons, then you can simply change it. And also you can simply search for the App Store, and here you can find different kind of theme and icon customizer app. So you have to look for that, and after that you can simply change the icons according to your design, which may be dark or light or any kind of color you want. So you have to simply search for the apps which provide customizable themes and icons on your iPhone on App Store. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.